Hello friends, today we will see relay module and how does it operate. This is a 4 relay module you are just now seeing. You can purchase it online. The beauty is it operates at 5 volts, so compatible with Arduino, and it can handle up to 10 amperes of load. Earlier it was not that convenient. We used to drive relay by transistors, use flywheel diodes, etc. Now with this relay module, we just give plus 5 volt and ground and we are ready to go. It is a hassle free operation. Here you can see 4 independent sections, NO and NC contacts from K1 to K4. Middle point to left one is normally closed, that is NC contact, and middle to right is normally open, so that is NO contacts. So you can see connecting points. This is BCC 5 volt ground, then IN1 to IN4 for 4 relays. This IN1 to IN4 pins are active low points. What does that mean? That means when we apply ground to these pins, the corresponding relay operates. This is most important point to be noted about this relay module. So let's take an example. Practically we can use this relay how to see how it operates. Here you please ignore the Arduino board because I have used Arduino only to supply 5 volt and ground for the relay module. No other work done by Arduino. We can supply this voltage externally also. So I have taken a bulb and one of the wire is passed through the relay's NO contact. When relay will be operated, NO contact will be closed and the bulb should glow. I have taken VCC and ground to the corresponding point in the relay module. This wire I will connect to ground so that my first relay should operate. If you see the Arduino Uno board, here is a ground point, right? So ground point is available. I can connect this wire to the ground. You see the first relay is now operated. The corresponding red LED on the board is now glowing and the bulb also glows. Now I remove the ground pin, the bulb goes off. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.